Hello, Professor Fleming or TA, whatever is creating this video. Today I'm going to be, or tonight I'm going to be doing my explanation video 7, and this is going to be part 2 of part 1. I've already done part 1. Pretty much in this one, we're just, more that I was getting that. Um, Today we're adding migration, right? And then we're linking up the two models associated with each other, going over, and then having the index file, basically the home page, right, or the index page, have the emails on there of every blog post, right, whichever user you associate it with. And right here, I'm guessing we're adding the emails to the show page, and then also we're adding our seed file, right? And then for our seed file, we're gonna have basically we're gonna add a creator slash, well, mine's gonna be called author, right? Basically, whatever the person that posts it, and then it's gonna be one of the Simpson characters, Bart, Lisa, or Homer. And right here, it's just right here we're gonna add a if statement that just says, "Oh, edit and delete is gonna show appear based on which user you logged in with," right? And then by doing that, right, we need a permission required button or controller. Okay, and then yep, yep, that's about it. All right, here, let's get, that was the overview, and let's get started. So first thing we want to do is browse, generate a migration, add, add something to something. One second, add user. Make sure everything's spelled right. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and launch my VS Code. Um, okay. Okay. So yeah, the first page it pulls up is my seed scripts. And so you may notice that only one of my blogs don't have the author already have in there. And before this video, I would to do that just to save some time, right? And then to properly edit the scripts, all we do is go here, right? We add a comma because it's not the last line of code anymore, and then we add author. And then our donut is Homer, right? So we add Homer, and then to do that, you just do it to all of them, and then some gets pretty long, and for the reason why I took the shortcut. Okay, so next thing we do is the migration. We add a reference to it, right? And then that should be under, I believe it's under DB migrate, right? Then you can see it says add user FK call to blog post. And for that, all we do is do this, add a reference in there. Instead of quizzes, we're going to have blog posts, plural. Okay. So next thing we do is this one, we're just associating the two classes together. So we go to app, model, and then right here, right, these two. And then belongs to, I guess the order, but I'm just going to go, not in order, I guess users, right? And the user is going to be blog post is going to be belongs to, right? I believe I have belongs to copied down, which I do. And earlier we did author change quizzes to blog underscore post. Okay, and then this is where it belongs to, and then users has many underscore post, then inverse of author, right? And then I'm going to want to save these two. Okay, make sure they're spelled right. Okay. Okay. So next thing we do is this essentially adds it where our index file shows all the emails, right? Okay. Go to view, index. Okay. And I believe you wanted us to change this line right here. And then we're going to change it to blog post. Then author email. Okay. The next thing we do is, we want to do created by, which is just the text, and then we want to add the email in there. So we go to show, and please, oh, I just copied it on accident. Then we don't do that. We do blog underscore post dot. Okay. Save. Make sure you save everything. And I believe we're done with the show one. So I'm going to close it out. And then so we already did the C file, right? That's the first thing we did. So skip that. Okay, I'm going to go straight to the controller. Okay. All right. Sorry. So now we go to our controller, right? Our blog post controller. And now we want to do a require action, right? Basically, this says only the right user, right, or the login gets these permissions to edit, update, and delete. And with that, we have to add in this. We'll add in the controller for that. And then params. Then we'll do author here. And for the path, I'm gonna just link it back to the homepage. Then with flash message, it sounds good. Will you add a private up here? Okay. Yeah, other than that, we seem to be done. Right, and then we go ahead and run our C scripts by doing Rails migrate set seed. Okay. Oh, it says Rails aborted. Author must exist. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back to my C file. Maybe I messed something up. Down here. Author must exist. See that. Oh, it says I have a quiz somewhere. Okay. So let me go back and backtrack a little bit. DB migrate blog post. Then we go up here. Look at that. I gotta go back to belongs to the models. Oh, right here. Our class name doesn't exist, right? So we need. We should save that. Let's see. Unutilized constant. Let me double check my C file again. Okay, now it's good, right? So we're able to fix that problem. Now we should be able to run Rails server and be able to test everything out. Okay. So right here, you see we're able to read, we're able to see, read, and write, right? And then basically, if you add the if statement in there, it should disappear. Here we go. Okay, so Well, just add this line, right? And then this is just saying, oh, if the blog post author does not equal the current user, edit and delete is not going to be an option. And then with the if statement, you have to end it. Okay, so you see how you can only read it, right? And then earlier we added the email in, right? And then Lisa, okay. So now I'm going to sign in. Lisa email, password. Oh, you see how now you can see that new and whatever, right? New at read, edit, and delete shows up for Lisa, right? And vice versa if you sign in for someone else. Like for example, if you sign in for Bart, it should. And that should conclude my video 7. Thank you for watching.